How to do this countdown effect using your smartphone. Open a light motion. If you're using the free version, tap this X. Tap the plus sign. Sundan mo na lang ang settings na to. Set green screen as your background. Tap create from scratch. Tap lang natin yan X. Tap the plus sign at lalabas ang mga tools na to. Tap text. Add the desired text. Tap this drop-down arrow. Tap view all fonts to choose a font. Tap this color button to choose a color. Tap border and shadow to add a stroke. Toggle this on and adjust the size of the stroke. Adjust the length of the text track. Depende yan sa length ng video na gagawin mo. Move the playhead at the beginning of the timeline. Tap effects. Tap add effects. Look for count up, down. Add the first keyframe. Move the playhead sa dulo. Tap this box and add -366. Tap back, then export. Let's say this is your project. Move natin ng playhead kung saan tayo mag-add ng countdown. Tap overlay, add overlay. Add the countdown clip. Adjust the size and the position. Look for remove BG. Select chroma key. Tapat natin yan sa green color. Tap tick. Then export. Kaya na yan ha. Okay, bye.